the demand for having a caste census was led by the Congress party, and Mr. Rahul Gandhi in particular has been raising this issue for a number of years now. And we all know that the government of India and the BJP in particular have always said that this is something that is unacceptable. In fact, in a written reply to a parliamentary question, government had said it was not proposing to do any caste census. Because of the forceful demand of the party and Mr. Gandhi, the current government has now yielded and announced a caste census. But the facts and the figures state something totally different. They want to start the census in 2027. The money required for a full census is about 10,000 crores. Government has allocated 574 crores. And the main issue is that when we say we wanted a caste census, the objective was to know exactly in what conditions people of India are living, those who have been deprived, who are not in the mainstream, how much have they got education, how much access do they have to government schemes and policy programs, in what economic conditions are they living, what is their net spending, household incomes. All that is required for us to do better policy formulation. Idea is not just to collect data of an individual's caste or a household's caste. The objective is to know exactly in what conditions these families are living and how we can better curate our policies to substantially help the livelihoods of those people. Unless we have tangible data, no state government and no central government can actually do targeted interventions. And that is what we wanted to do. In that regard, Telangana has done a splendid job. That caste census was done by including members of the private sector, NGOs, experts and scientists in the field, so that you have an expansive collaborative effort where you genuinely make an effort to know the real status of families living and households living in conditions that perhaps we are not aware of. But the government of the day yielded to the pressure of the Congress party and Mr. Gandhi and has done announcements. But if you look at the notification, there is no mention of the kind of survey we wanted to get done. The amount of money that has been allotted is pittance compared to what is required. So I fear that the BJP, initially if you recall when the BJP was in opposition, they opposed the Aadhaar cards, they opposed GST, they opposed FDI in retail, they opposed FDI in defense, they opposed GST. But when they came to government, all of those they wanted to implement and take credit for it. Similarly, the caste census was a Congress issue. Mr. Gandhi and everybody else asked for this. They said, they called us urban Naxals. And they were not agreeable to accept this demand. Now, when they sense the mood of the country, they have accepted in principle. But I think there is a lot of confusion and a lot of dissatisfaction in what we had asked for. So I urge the government to come out clear and not keep giving extended deadlines, under allocation of budgets. And again, the idea is to know exactly the status of people living in India. And this is the perfect way for us to do it. Unfortunately, I think the intention of the government is just to buy time, grab headlines and manage the narrative.